been a long day. Every day is about the same. Alarm goes off, 5:30 a.m. Get up, go to work, get off of work, hit the gym, go back home, sun's going down, eat dinner, go to sleep, and repeat. Squeeze in family time when I can, and I try not to stress out and fight about money with my loved ones. It's hard, man. Wouldn't mind if there was a better way. Wouldn't mind if there was something that could help. I feel like there's something I could do to escape the rat race and just live a life with less stress and more freedom.
7 days retreat. Woo! Yes! Woo! All right. Boom! Shake the room. What is going on, everybody? I have just gotten home from work. Oh my goodness, it has been a long day. And it's been a long couple of days because I'm doing the one funnel away challenge right now, and I've been waiting. I love the Facebook stuff that I've seen, and there's also an online portal that I've been watching my videos, doing challenges, getting my mindset right, okay, to accelerate my business, accelerate hopefully my future. As you guys see, I'm riding a bike to work. It's to save money. I'm scrounging pennies. I'm pinching pennies as a father, as a husband, as somebody who's entrepreneurial. And the reality is I'm a lot like probably everybody else out there, right? I know a lot of people hate their jobs, but a lot of people love their jobs. I'm somebody who actually finds passion in helping others, and fortunately in my job I do that. But the reality is this, is that I am an employee and I only make as much as I make. Okay, I am super passionate about actually accelerating my side hustles, utilizing my passions and my desire to help others so that I can really, use something like this to make some cash and chill out a little bit. I am so tired of fighting with my family, with my friends, with my wife, with my kids, because everything in my head is about, oh, that costs money, this costs money, no, we can't go out to dinner tonight, oh, why did you break that new toy already? Anyways, let's open up this box and see what this is all about. I'm telling you what, man. I'm super excited for what is in here because I've already just been elated with all the videos. And like I said, boom, shake the room. I've been inspired by Steven. You know, Steve Larsen is dope. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, let's do this. Some cool stuff in here, right? I got the One Funnel Away MP3 recordings. Oh my goodness. Sorry, you guys. I got the MP3 recordings here that I can listen to wherever I'm at. Super cool that I got something physical like that here. Nicely wrapped. These guys, Russell Brunson, Steven Larsen, his whole team are exquisite gentlemen. I don't know the whole team over there at ClickFunnels totally, but thank you, all you guys and girls, for wrapping that up like this. The 30-day plan. I think this is what you would do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself if you suddenly lose everything. Why not play with everything out? All guns blazing, right? Treat every moment like this is kind of going to be my motto going forward. What if this was my last day? Or what if this was, the moment after I lost everything? How would I regain my ground? All right, I got some 2 comma club coaching, 2 comma clubs. You know how many commas there are in $1 million? 2, okay? And that's a goal for a lot of the folks out there, right? Because the new billionaire is a new millionaire. Well, I'm not even a thousandaire, so I got to get this going. All right, One Funnel Away Challenge workbook, dope. I've been downloading the things from online, but it's so much better to have it here physically. So everything's in color, nicely bound together. Guys, thank you so much for sending me the One Funnel Away Challenge box. Having the physical presence of this thing right here is amazing. I'm super excited to just accelerate my business, continue doing what I'm doing, but honestly, do it less, with less stress, with more energy, more engagement, a deeper understanding, because the mindset shift too in this thing is incredible. If you guys are curious what the One Funnel Away Challenge is, how you can get involved, I'm gonna put a link down below. You're gonna love it. I'm telling you what. And when you actually sign up for it, I'm gonna give you a bonus. When you sign up for it, sign up for my link I'm gonna put down below and message me right away so that I can keep track of how you're doing and hold you accountable. That's whether this is like tomorrow, in 45 days when they start the next challenge, or honestly, even if it's a year from now, let me know how I can help, because I'm telling you what, only in 4 days so far, my mindset, my energy is through the roof. Let's get this, guys.